Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to start dropshipping with no upfront cost. No website needed, no Shopify needed, nothing. You're going to have a done-for-you store already connected to your supplier, and all you need to do is just pick up your store and start promoting your store, start sending traffic to your store. All the items are listed for you. No inventory, no upfront cost, nothing. It's actually absolutely done for you. Does that excite you? Make sure you sit with me to the end of this video. Hi everyone, my name is Bukomi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I talk about different ways to make money online, different side businesses you can start, different passive income streams you can add to your bucket list, and all that great stuff. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and please turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. That being said, I'm going to go over to my computer now and show you what supplier to use and how to get started. If you're new to dropshipping, you know nothing about dropshipping, I have a video where I'd already walked through what dropshipping is, different suppliers you can use, and how to connect it to a Shopify store. I'll link that up in the card. You might want to check that out. But this video is not about Shopify. It's just how to get started for free. You're not going to have to pay for a Shopify store or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to get started right now. So as you can see, guys, this is CJ Dropshipping. I'm going to leave a link to CJ Dropshipping in my description. This is a very good supplier if you're looking to dropship. I went through this supplier very much and in-depthly in my other video. I'm going to link that in the card or in the description. This supplier has really good and fair shipping times, so you really don't have to bother about your customers complaining or returns or having issues with your orders not delivering on time, because they try to deliver your item on time. And this supplier actually has loads of products to offer you. So compared to AliExpress, this is a better supplier in my own opinion. And the fact that you really can change your warehouse to different warehouses. So I live in the UK. I can decide to sell stuff that are only available in the UK warehouse, and that would even make it faster for me to, send out things to my customers and all of that. So this is CJ Dropshipping, really great supplier. Now we're going to be working with this supplier to start our dropshipping business. If you come to the authorization tab here, you would see different stores that you can connect your CJ Dropshipping to start your dropshipping business. So it could be Shopify or eBay or Etsy, whatever. There are different stores here that you can authorize. But here we're talking about this store that you really don't have to pay for, and that's what it really interests us. And that would be this one here. That's the WED2C. That's the name of the partner that works with CJ Dropshipping. So what they do is they import this. They have all of CJ Dropshipping products. All you need to do is just click on it and add it to your store. I'll show you how to do that. And I'll put a link to grab a free store in my description, so you could just click on that link and see what free store you might like, whatever niche that appeals to you, or if you just want to have a general store, check that link in my description and you'll be able to grab one for yourself. Yes, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is it here. It's the free store. I'm going to open what it looks like. This is what it looks like on mobile. So you can download the app. They have an app. You can download it and just have it on your phone. You can see all of these products are our CJ Dropshipping products. So they have the same product, the same delivery time frame and all of that. Or if you don't, if you find any product on CJ Dropshipping and it's not here, which I think is very rare, because I actually have searched and I haven't really seen anyone that is not on this store. If it's not here, then you might just click on here and add it manually, but you will find almost everything you're looking for on CJ Dropshipping here. So let me show you my own store. I have a demo store. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on this is the link, and this is what it looks like on desktop. So those were let me refresh and see if I get those pop-up that pop-up again. Okay, so those were discounts that I had set up for my store. So that's what you just saw. But this is what it looks like, guys. This is freaking amazing. I mean, I don't even know what compares to this. This, all I had to do was just, this was already done for me, guys. All I had to do was just give the store a name. That's it. I gave the store a name, and it suggested some products for me, and what I did was just to click on it and I added it to store, and that was it, guys. That was it. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So what you need to do is, once you click that link in my description to get your free store, it will take you to something that looks like this. If you're checking this out, if you're checking this out on mobile, it would definitely be like this. So what you need to do is go down here to stores and then create a store. So I'll just assume I don't have a store. I'll click on register, and then I'm going to put in an email address. Okay, like so. And I'm going to enter a password. I'm going to confirm the password. Okay, hopefully I got that right. Okay, a little more information about me. I'm just going to put my name here. I just won't let me go forward. Okay, so basic information. Okay, I'm just gonna put something random, guys. Just gonna put something random. Okay, so I'm gonna confirm that. My career. Okay, whatever. Let's just go next. So I'm gonna select all of this, like, because I'm not niching down yet. I mean, I might niche down later, but not now. So you may want to just select all and see. So yeah, so I have that set for me. So what I need to do now is to pick a store. Okay, so the good thing about this is it has already made stores for you that you can just claim, you know, and you can actually just start selling, or you start your store from scratch. So if I wanted to sell this keychain sets, guys, this, for some reason I keep saying this on TikTok, I think this keychain, this safety keychain thing is really selling right now. I mean, I don't know, but I think I see them a lot on TikTok, so you might want to jump on this one. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna preview that store that has the keychain, all of it. So this is a done for you store, guys. Look at that. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So it just brought in all of the keychain. If you want to niche down and just sell the keychains, then it's just brought in all of that for you. So let's assume I'm going to be going with this safety store theme. What I have to do is just go to get free store, and I'm going to click on that, and that's going to ask me to give my store a name. So say I wanted to name it safety, let's say safety, I don't know, safety hub or something like that. I can't spell today. Safety hub, yes. And my store URL is also going to be safety hub. Yeah, I will activate that. And that is as simple as that, guys. Now I have my store. As you can see, it's that simple, it's that easy. If this is not what interests you, if you don't want to sell just safety stuff, you can select all the products you want, whatever products you want, just select it and add it to your store, and you'd be able to start selling. That is all. Like, in how many clicks you already have a store. I'm going to copy this now, and I'm going to go to my browser. I'm gonna paste it here like so. Let's see what our new store looks like. Look at that, guys. Voila, that is just simple and crazy. I mean, it is simple. You don't need Shopify, you don't need WooCommerce, you don't need any of these other stores. This is free and it's done for you. And what makes it really good is, guys, look at the reviews. So the product imports all the reviews it got and just add it to your store, and you're not paying anything for this. It's absolutely free. So if you're looking to start a business, if you're looking to start a side business, if you're looking to start dropshipping and you've been wondering, I have to pay, you've been wondering, you have to pay for softwares, you have to pay for Shopify, whatever e-commerce platform you're thinking of using, and that has been bothering you, that has been stopping you from starting, guys, you don't have to worry about that anymore, because this is already done for you. And you can connect your domain if you don't want the domain they give you. If you want to make this, say, safetyup.com or .online, whatever, you just need to go purchase that and come back in here and connect your own domain to the store, and that is all that it is. And you just grab your link. You can promote this on TikTok. There are a lot. If you go to TikTok right now, you would see a lot of people selling this safety thing, and a lot of people are buying, and these prices are good, way better than what you would be able to find it on TikTok. And you know, it just makes it better, because you can tweak your price and make it really competitive, and that is just amazing, guys. I found this and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let's just click on one of these products and see. Look at that. So you have this, you have all of these other images. It's done for you, guys. I didn't write the title, I didn't create any of this, nothing. I didn't do the shipping policies. Everything's already done for you. It's done for you. So that is really amazing. And let's go to the home. We're just going to explore the store, guys, and let's see everything it has. So if you go to shop all, it has added 33 products for you, and your customers will be able to buy. If you wanted to sell more items, let's go back to, if you wanted to add more items, so what you do is come back to your back end here, like so. If you wanted to edit the price, you just go to the price here, and this is the price. This is what it costs for this set. Okay, if you wanted to increase your own price, you just come on here and increase the price. If you want, this is what you would be earning on the product. If you want to add a strike price, you add it. If you want to change the price for the variants, you can do that. If you want to offer free shipping so that people would buy and not think of the shipping fees, you toggle this on. Otherwise, you can toggle it off. Toggle this on, and this is the shipping price. You can look at the estimated shipping price. The prices are left a default to ship to the US, so you can see how long it will take to arrive. You can get it shipped as fast as 6 to 10 days, and the latest or the longest would be 10 to 18 days. So you can get that done easily. Yes, so let's see. If you wanted to add coupons, you just click on the coupon and create the coupon here. You just click on this and then create a coupon here, and that is just how you do that, guys. So I wanted to share that with you. If you want to grab one, I'll put a link in my description for you to grab a free store or to start afresh if you wanted to. So click the link in my description and go get started with your dropshipping business. I want to show you how to add extra product to your store. So if you wanted to add extra product to your store, you'll go to home. Just click on home here. You can do all of this on your phone and just come up here and look for whatever product that catches your eyes. So you can look at all the niches that are here, best selling, whatever it is you want to sell, guys, is here. And they have this section for beginners. If I click on this, these are recommended products that you get sold quickly. So let's say I had a general store and I just wanted to sell anything here. If I click on that, it has videos and it would it would import that video for you also. So if I liked this product and if I wanted to add it to my store, I will just look at the description, the price. This is how much I will be earning. So how it works is they will ship out your product for you and have your profit left for you in your back office, which you can withdraw anytime. So this is a description, really nice. And what you need to do is just click on add to store. So if I click on add to store now, I can edit the price. So this is how much it costs. It costs $7, and this is how much they're proposing I sell it. If you wanted to sell it more, just increase the price, and this is how much you'll be earning. Now you can put a strike price just to make it look like it's on sale, and then your variants, if you wanted to sell the variants at different prices, that's where you do that. I'm not changing anything there. So this is the shipping fee. You can change where you want it to ship to here after your customer pays, obviously, but on default is on it's on ship to the US. So this is how much it would ship. If I wanted to ship this to the United Kingdom, let me change that to Great Britain. I see the price is going to change. The shipping price will change. It would take 7 to 15 days to get to the UK, or 5 to 11 days. This is way better than what you get on AliExpress, guys. So this is good. So if I wanted this, I'll just leave it at that, and then that would be set for me. And if I wanted to give free shipping just to encourage customers to buy, I'll toggle that on and then add the shipping fee to my price, and I will add to store, and that is it, guys. That's all you do. So yeah, see store. If you wanted to add more, you just click on continue browsing, and that's it. So this is my store, and this is the product I just added. If I wanted to share this product, you click on share. If you want to update the price, that will be that. If you want to remove it, if you don't want it in your store anymore, that will be that. And I'm going to just refresh now, and let's see the product I just added now. Where are you? I'll click on shop all. Yeah, let's click on new. Yeah, so this is the product I just added now, and and as you can see, it's free shipping, and it's imported all of the reviews for me, looking really good. So guys, this is how you start dropshipping with absolutely no money, guys. This is really good. If you have no money to start going into the new year, you have no money to start, this is good. So just click on that link in my description and grab yourself a store and start selling and start dropshipping and start making some buck. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and please turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. I'm so excited to have you here, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video, and if you do find value in this one, please give it a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends and anyone you think might need it. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.